send. You send this as a command. You can upgrade these functions with this module. You don't need to return this GPS module to us. So, okay, status, send this one. You will get feedback SMS command. You will check some useful information. This ID, your GPS module ID, you will know. You forget this, don't worry. You send this, you will know this. And you will, this is IP address. And this is APN, Cardot, this example. Also can report if signal is weak, you can report this GPS module. Let me show you this. Okay, this is correct. I'll show you. Yes, report. The baby report. The LED will blink slowly. Now this is blue. Keep it on. No GSM. It must be blinking slowly. It's normal. You have said everything. You don't need everything. You need to remove everything. You need blank information. You want to delete everything. Factory set. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hold it. Release. Nothing. I have not got any message back. No feedback. No call me because I have deleted the SOS number. So you can get not SOS number. I can delete SOS number so you can get an alarm notification and they will get it. So I have set it factory status. Okay, factory. I have deleted this information. SOS number is removed. No response. Nothing. Okay, thank you. Speaking monitoring, voice monitoring. This SMS sent. Feedback. Call me. Okay, call me now. Yeah. Oh, whoa.